The James Webb Space Telescope recently sent a shocking message that left NASA scientists speechless. For years, this largest optical telescope in space has observed different parts of our vast universe, revealing various phenomena. However, a recent image sent waves in the world of science and astronomy. What terrible image did the James Webb Telescope capture? Could it represent an alien space beyond space? Join us as we explore the stunning new images just revealed by the James Webb Telescope, images we've never seen before. If you are interested in the news about the universe and its environment, subscribe to our channel. Do not forget to like this video and turn on notifications. NASA's $10 billion James Webb Space Telescope was launched from the European spaceport in French Guiana. Since arriving at its new cosmic home, this infrared observatory has provided scientists and astronomers with spectacular views of space. The largest and most advanced space telescope to date, scientists were excited to see the first scientific images captured by the telescope. What they saw, however, almost turned them to stone. When James Webb turned his instrument toward the iconic pillars of creation, it recorded the famous dust clouds in incredible detail. These pillars are located in the constellation of Leo, about 7,000 light-years from Earth. The pillars of creation are part of the Eagle Nebula, a large cloud of gas and dust first imaged by the Hubble Space Telescope in 1995. Since then, the extraordinary beauty of the pillars has been revealed. A new photo taken by the James Webb Space Telescope reveals the pillars of creation in even more detail. Several stars are visible that were not seen in the previous Hubble image, some of which formed only a few 100,000 years ago. This represents a major scientific breakthrough. The James Webb Space Telescope also scanned the so-called Pandora cluster with an amazing image taken from Greek mythology. The Pandora cluster is a region predicted by Albert Einstein in 1915. These new images are puzzling scientists because they reveal details they were unaware of in this region of space. However, it is important to note that this region of space has an official name known as Abell 2744, which is part of the Pandora cluster. This cluster contains several different structures. The exciting thing about this image is that it has been observed before, but the Hubble Space Telescope has only studied the central core of space. This means that there are still many important mysteries to be discovered in this fascinating region of space. Until James Webb directed his powerful infrared instrument to the region to look at the Pandora cluster, a team of observers used the large telescope's near-infrared spectrograph and near-infrared camera as part of the Deep Observing program. Before the ionization period, photographs were taken, which were then combined into a panoramic image. This panoramic image revealed about 5,000 infrared light sources in the Pandora cluster, about 3.5 billion light-years away. The James Webb Telescope image achieved an impressive balance between depth and width that could change our understanding of galaxy evolution. The highlight of the image is the bright foreground star of the Milky Way, whose unique diffraction peaks were produced by the James Webb Space Telescope. Also visible are bright sources of white light surrounded by a hazy glow consistent with that of much more distant galaxies in the Pandora cluster. Although man-made technology is crucial to observing this cluster of galaxies, astronomers have also relied on a natural phenomenon that Albert Einstein proposed as general relativity in his 1915 theory of gravity. In addition to exciting discoveries that excite scientists and astronomers, the James Telescope Webb recorded strange cosmic phenomena that even scientists cannot fully explain. One such mystery is the mysterious concentric rings found around a distant star, which astronomers have not yet fully understood. A citizen investigator posted the image on Twitter, which generated many comments and discussions among the user community. The image showed a star called WR140 surrounded by regular wavy rings that gradually fade. However, what caught my attention was that the circles were not perfectly round, but rather square. This immediately gave rise to theories about a possible extraterrestrial origin. However, some scientists have argued that nature simply achieves something that seemed impossible from one perspective. Sometimes natural phenomena can seem strange when viewed from a certain angle, but they have a simple explanation. However, the questions remain. Why did they have the shape they had, and why are they so regular? These questions have plagued researchers like Mark McCaffrian, who is not the only one concerned about this confusing picture. McCaffrian, a multidisciplinary scientist with the JWST Science Working Group and science advisor to the European Space Agency, called it strange in a Twitter thread. He explained that the sharp blue structure is an artifact caused by optical diffraction from the bright star WR-140 in the image. However, he noted that the red bulge is real and represents a series of shells around WR-140 in space. Although NASA is expected to make a statement soon, young stars generally tend to be bright blue, while over time they acquire a redder glow due to fuel and cooling. Astronomers did not expect to see old red stars in the ancient galaxies for which the James Webb Space Telescope was built, nor the more massive galaxies that could be up to 1 billion times more massive than the Sun. These red dots, revealed in images taken by the James Webb Space Telescope, appear to be 50 times more massive than the most massive galaxies in our sample. The mass of the most massive galaxies in our sample is estimated to be 2 to 4 times less than that of the Milky Way. This discovery is amazing because massive galaxies like ours were discovered when the universe was only 3% of its current age. Team scientist Leah Hustak also mentioned that before astronomers start rewriting cosmological theories to explain how these galaxies merged so quickly after the Big Bang, they need to make sure the strange red they see are nothing else. However, most alternative explanations would also require entirely new concepts. For example, stars in the early universe can emit light in exotic ways because our models lack heavy elements. The images that revealed these enigmatic galaxies were obtained with the Webb near-infrared camera as part of the Cosmic Evolution Early Release Science program. The team plans to return to these galaxies soon and use the mid-infrared instrument, MIRI, to obtain light spectra from distant points. A spectrum divides the observed light into wavelengths according to its composition, and thus reveals the chemical and physical properties of its source. Most importantly, the spectra provide very accurate distances to these objects. The distance and identity of these objects are correlated, and if we know the distance, we can determine the identity and vice versa. Leah argues that just 6 months after Webb's team reported the first observations, scientists are being forced to rewrite theories about the early universe. The first observation of the early universe led us to discover something so unexpected that it causes problems for science in general, because it calls into question the whole picture of the formation of early galaxies. Another amazing image taken by the James Webb Space Telescope shows a ghostly galaxy that looks like a vortex swirling before our eyes. This new image, based on deep space data, highlights the dust lanes of galaxy NGC 628, or M74, known for its perfect spiral symmetry. A ghost galaxy is scientifically interesting because of the intermediate mass black hole that scientists believe is at its center. While the ghost galaxy has been photographed many times, including by space observatories such as the Hubble Space Telescope and the Spitzer Space Telescope, Webb's images stand out at near-infrared wavelengths that reveal cosmic dust.
Combined with the power of its unique 18-segment hexagonal mirror and its location in deep space, the James Webb Telescope, one of the most ambitious projects in space exploration, continues to amaze scientists with its unprecedented capabilities and discoveries. Tasked with uncovering the universe's deepest secrets, Webb is not disappointed with his early findings. From capturing the intricate details of distant galaxies to revealing previously unseen phenomena, Webb's contributions to astronomy rewrite the textbooks of our understanding. One of the remarkable achievements of the telescope is its ability to look deeper into space than any other instrument before it. Using its advanced infrared technology and using a massive 18-segment mirror, Webb opened up new research territory. Unlike its predecessor, the Hubble Space Telescope, which operated mainly in the visible and ultraviolet spectrum, Webb's infrared capabilities allow it to penetrate cosmic dust clouds and observe celestial bodies hidden from optical telescopes. That ability proved central to observations of the iconic pillars of creation in Eagle Mist. Webb's infrared look revealed never-before-seen details of the massive columns of gas and dust where new stars form. The telescope's ability to see through dense nebular material has given astronomers a clearer understanding of the processes shaping the birth and evolution of stars. In addition, Webb's observations of distant galactic clusters, such as Able 2744, Pandora's cluster, shed new light on the large-scale structure of the universe. By hunting thousands of infrared sources in these clusters, Webb allowed astronomers to study the formation and evolution of galaxies over cosmic time. The deep field images obtained by Webb not only deepen our understanding of the dynamics of galaxy clusters, but also challenge existing models of galaxy formation and evolution. One of Webb's most interesting discoveries is the existence of ancient galaxies that defy conventional cosmological theories. Discovered when the universe was a fraction of its current age, these galaxies have masses that rival or exceed the Milky Way. Such observations raise fundamental questions about how galaxies assembled and grew in the early universe, prompting astronomers to revise their models of cosmic evolution. Webb's unique ability to capture spectral data from distant objects further enhances its scientific capabilities. Spectroscopic analysis allows astronomers to determine the chemical composition, temperature, and motion of celestial bodies with unprecedented precision. This ability is crucial for studying planetary atmospheres, detecting the properties of exoplanets, and studying the environments of distant stars. In addition to his scientific achievements, Webb represents an enormous collaboration between space agencies and scientific institutions around the world. Built by NASA in collaboration with the European Space Agency, ESA, and the Canadian Space Agency, CSA, Webb is an example of international collaboration in pushing the boundaries of human knowledge. Its construction involved state-of-the-art technology and engineering that set new standards for space observatories. In the future, Webb's ambitious mission will include studying the earliest galaxies born after the Big Bang, evidence of habitable atmospheres on exoplanets, and exploring the cosmic origins of life's building blocks. These goals underscore Webb's role not only as a vehicle for astronomical discovery, but also as a beacon of human curiosity and ingenuity. In addition to his scientific endeavors, Webb captured the public's imagination and sparked interest in space exploration. Its stunning images and groundbreaking discoveries are shared with the global community, inspiring future generations of scientists, engineers, and space enthusiasts. Through educational programs and public engagement initiatives, Webb continues to promote scientific literacy and appreciation for the wonders of the universe. Webb's journey into space celebrates the triumph of determination and cooperation in the face of enormous technological and logistical challenges. From its conception to its launch, Webb overcame many obstacles to become a beacon of hope and discovery for space exploration. Its success paves the way for future space missions and underscores the importance of investing in cutting-edge research. As Webb continues to unravel the mysteries of the universe, its discoveries will undoubtedly shape our understanding of cosmic phenomena and our place in the cosmos. Whether it's uncovering the mysteries of dark matter, exploring the habitable conditions of planets, or tracing the origins of star formation, Webb is poised to revolutionize astrophysics and inspire new generations of researchers. In conclusion, the James Webb Space Telescope is a milestone in humanity's quest to unravel the mysteries of the universe. With its advanced technology, unprecedented capabilities, and groundbreaking discoveries, Webb changed our understanding of space and opened new frontiers for exploration. As Webb continues its mission of space exploration, it will undoubtedly leave an indelible mark on astronomy and inspire generations to reach for the stars.